This great workout is fantastic for fat and weight loss. If you don't have a medicine ball, you can use a ball. Just don't slam it, bring it down slowly and bring it back up. You can do it with a sumo squat, or you can do your basic squat. Just turn those toes inward. And this workout is not only great for weight loss and fat burning, but it's also great for toning the body. I love it because I'm not only working on my strength and my endurance, but I'm also working on my cardiovascular training. So that's the reason why we're burning a ton of fat. First, the lunges are tricky. Start gradually, and if you're uncomfortable getting that leg way too out inside, you can just do a reverse lunge and go from there. It's great for balance and also working on your core. Then the RDL shoulder press. The RDLs are all about really feeling the muscle overloading on your hamstrings and your glutes. So take your time. It's about really timing slowly and pausing if necessary when you start feeling the muscle contracting. And then the press is a little faster move. This combo is great for glute growth. And we're also getting the arms involved. Is fantastic. And as you see, I'm really trying to separate the two movements. Then we move to only upper body, and I love this one because I'm also trying to target my back. I'm trying to keep my feet not as away from each other. When you do that, you get to engage the upper body more. Here comes the hardest for me. I really try to take my time engaging my abs. I don't work out my core as much as I would love to, but when I do, I really like to engage it as much as possible. And it was just me and my partner. Everybody else finished, and we were still missing a set, and we were just trying to knock it out, but it was just intense. I sped it up for you, but it took me some time to really finish it because I was trying to engage my core, really feel it. I hope you complete it, reach your goals, and keep up the good work. See you in our next one.